I absolutely love the quality of this TV. As you can see, the image is really clear. It's pretty amazing. Unmute it. The sound gets really great without any external sound system. You can go higher. So this is the middle of the day and there's a lot of light coming out from the window, but the glare is almost unnoticeable when the TV is on. But if I turn it off, you can see that there is a lot of light that would have been glaring if the monitor didn't have this anti-glare effect. So this would be the home screen, and you can control the here with your remote and choose between all the apps that you have available here, which is really convenient. It's really easy to set up, and you just select one, goes right there. And if you want to go back home and select another app, pretty easily. This is the Samsung 7 Series flat 4K UHD Smart LED TV.